Hey, what's up everyone? It's Mark with M2M Detail, and today we're going to be doing a product review on P&S. So we're going to do the glass polish, then there's ceramic coating to the glass. So first things first, you're going to have to clean the windshield. We're going to clay bar it, even though it's a brand new windshield. There is some type of coating on there. I'm not sure what it is, but I can see the streaks. So we're going to remove all that, polish it all out, and then we're going to coat it with the ceramic coating. This is new from P&S. You got the glass polish. So we're gonna find out how good it works. I don't know. Should be good. To apply it, you can use wool pad, by hand, microfiber pad, foam pad, whichever you prefer. If for more aggressive cleaning of a windshield, probably want to stick to a wool pad. But yeah, we're gonna be just doing a foam pad on the flex, so it's a DA. And then we got their ceramic coating. So the ceramic coating is a 9H. It is pretty cool. So we're gonna find out how good that works. The whole truck is ceramic coated. So pretty cool to have a ceramic coated glass. Comes with these little things for the door jambs, let them know it's done. Here's your ceramic coat. Here's your applicator pad. Nice and big, good coverage. So we're gonna find out how everything works. So I appreciate you guys watching, and let's get into the video. Might put you guys on a quick time lapse just to speed up the process, but let's get to it. All right guys, so first things first, we're just gonna clean the windshield real quick. Now we're going to go to the clay bar. Okay guys, so now we're going to start polishing it. Start our pad. Guys, we just got done polishing out the windshield. Came out really good. Removed all those streaks I was telling you about that the OEM did a factory coating. If it was my choice, I would have told them not to. It was already on the car. I don't do any factory coatings for my vehicles. I apply them all myself, as should you, or have a shop do it. Don't pay for it at the dealership. 99% of the times I see these coatings and they're all messed up, smudges everywhere, not even good products, not gonna last the time they're telling you it's gonna last. So be careful on that. But yeah, this works really good to get anything off your windshield. And you can leave it with this. You don't have to buy the coating. You don't have to do the ceramic coating on top of it. I want to do the ceramic coating. Really hydrophobic. I really like cleaning my cars. And when they're ceramic coated, makes it a lot easier. So let's get to it. We'll get that all wiped off and then we'll start the coating. Ooh, that's a lot. Alright guys, so you pretty much saw how we install it, how it came out, show you a quick little picture after we're done. Overall, very easy install, very good. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. The coating is super easy to work with, doesn't smudge or smear everywhere, so that's a big plus. Applicator pad spreads really nice. As you saw in the first side, I did it in 2 parts. On the passenger side, I did it all in 1. Didn't think it was going to spread the chemical that evenly, so ended up doing the whole half side of the windshield. Came out good. Really happy. Hope you guys try it out. I'll put links in the description. And big shout out to 3D. Got me the product like always. Also check out the little sanitizer spray. Pretty cool. Smells good. And I appreciate you guys watching. Please like and subscribe. As always, Mark out.